In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful, may peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah the Almighty be upon all of you. I am Umar bin Abid, and you're watching Umar Linguistics. So, dear viewers, in this lecture, we are going to look at 600 most important and most used spoken words in academia. So, actually, we are going to look at those 600 words which are most frequently used in academic speaking. What do we mean by academic speaking? So while getting education in universities, in colleges, in schools, so we have to communicate with our teachers, we have to communicate with our colleagues, so or during lectures. So there are some frequently used words, there are some words which are used more frequently as compared to other words by lecturers, by professors, or in seminars, etc. So uh, this channel is bilingual, so I make each video both in English and Urdu, or you can say in Hindi, separately, individually. So if you do not understand English, or if you have problem in understanding this video in English, so you can watch this same video in Urdu or Hindi as well. I have given the link in the description below. In last video I talked about 1200 most important words used in academic writing, and in this video I am going to talk about 600 most used spoken words in academic speaking. All right, so if we learn these 600 most important words, so it will be helpful us in many ways. First of all, we will be able to understand our teacher or our lecturer easily, because he or she will be used these 600 words more than other words. Same is the case if we are attending a seminar, or if we want to present our work, so we also come to know that we have to use these words. So I'll provide the sources for this as well, and how we can download these 600 words, and how we can see their examples, and how we can use. So as I have mentioned in the last video as well, that Oxford has collected 71 million word corpus, and this corpus is known as Oxford Corpus of Academic English, OCAE. What is corpus? In short, corpus is a large collection of text which is produced in real life, or which is produced naturally. So actually these 71 million words are collected from those texts which are published by Oxford University Press across these disciplines like physical sciences, life sciences, social sciences, arts, and humanities. So you can see in these four disciplines, usually all major subjects, or all major fields uh, are are the subfields of these four disciplines. So whether you are a student of chemistry, biology, engineering, psychology, linguistics, literature, so this list will be helpful for all of you. All right, so now let's see that list and how we can use that list. So this is the list of Oxford Phrasal Academic Lexicon. I'll provide the link in the description below, so you can click on that link and you can come to this website. So when you come to this website, so here is a list given. Usually when you come to this website, so these are actually the written words. All right, so you have to, first of all, you have to click on the filter, and from here you have to select OPAL spoken words. After clicking, so you can see there are 10 sublist, there are 10 sublist. So if you want to see a particular sublist, because sublist 1 has those words which are most frequently used, and sublist 2 has less than those words which are used less than sublist 1, and so on. So you can choose of your choices, or still select all if you want to download. Now when I click on done, so this window will be reloaded. All right, now these are those words which are used in academic speaking. You can
ability, ability,
click on any word. This is British English and this is American English pronunciation. All right, and for example, if you click on any of the words, so in this way you can see the examples,
associated,
different pronunciation versions, different senses, how even synonyms, collocations. So really, if you just learn a few words on daily basis with their examples, so it will be quite helpful for you. And if you just also listen to some lectures on YouTube as well, and you will notice after learning this list that really these are the actually words which are most used in academic speaking by English teachers. Now how to download it? When you click on download button, so the second option is OPAL, spoken English words. When you click on it, it will start downloading. Because I have already downloaded it, so I am pressing OK, and now I am going to open it. Alright, so yes, because here I have highlighted some points. So this is Oxford Phrasal Academic Lexicon. It mentioned the Oxford Phrasal Academic Lexicon is a set of 4 word lists that together provide an essential guide to the most important words and phrases to know in the field of English for academic purposes. This list gives 600 most important words in academic speaking, divided into 6 sublists of 100 words each. So there are 6 sublists, and each list is providing 100 words. The sublist 1 used the most important, most frequent words, and so on. So on website we were looking at 10 sublist. Actually, the rest of the sublist are not about just academic speaking, but they are about uh, general English. So we'll talk about general English as well in the incoming videos. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So share it, and you can like it, and even if you want, you can subscribe this channel as well. And you will find a lot of stuff about linguistics, technical linguistics and language on my channel. So don't forget to give your feedback. Remember, in your prayers. Jazakallah khairan, and thank you.